Hello and welcome to another session on UPK training. In this session we're going to discuss previewing your content in the different forms that UPK allows. From our topic we can preview in the different modes of UPK as well as the different documents, and I want to go through a few of the documents right now. Let's start with the system process document. Click our icon there. It takes a few minutes to publish, a few seconds actually, and then it'll open up in its native application, in this case Word. And here we have it. Now, I didn't go and create this Word document. The UPK application created it for me based on the settings that I used during the topic recording. And that's what's really neat about UPK, is that it can produce all of this documentation for you just through a simple recording process. And it's a very nice document. Header, footer areas, nice tables, highlights where you want them, pretty much like what you've recorded through your different sessions. So this is an example of the system process document. So if I wanted to close that and try another one, we could look at our job aid, which is a Word document that's basically been stripped of a lot of the screenshots and different information that a user wouldn't need if they were just looking at a single sheet explaining the process. And that's really what the job aid document is meant to be. So here it is. It's just your bare bones basic. Click here, click there, go through this process. You see the different menus and buttons. And it's a pretty quick, easy document for users to use. The next one that I think is pretty good is the test document. If you're developing tests for your UPKs where you want to use it for validation of something, say you wanted to validate a customization that you might have made in an Oracle application, or you're just validating that your process works, users can use this and actually record test information. So it comes up real nice format. I'm sure many of you will find a use for it. Collects the tester, the date, pass-fail, any notes, and it takes them through the test procedure to make sure that they can do this particular process. So it's a very good test document, especially if you're developing something new with some application, whether it's an Oracle application or any other application. It's a very beneficial document. The last document I want to show you is the presentation document. This document actually comes up in Microsoft PowerPoint, and it develops all the slides for you, which can be very nice if you're having to use this topic to perform a presentation. So here we have our different slides. Let's maximize this. See, there we have our different slides for each process in the topic, highlighting all of the key inputs. Pretty much the same information you would see in the other documents, but just laid out very nicely for you in PowerPoint. Alright, that concludes this particular session. Nice short session, but hope you find it very beneficial. Look back for more videos to come. Thank you very much.